Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to multiply numbers in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet. As you can see, I have inserted 3 columns here. Column A, column B and column C, which is where we want the result of the multiplication. Go to the blank cell where you want the result. Double click and type an equal sign. Then click on the first cell that contains the value you want to multiply. Next, enter the asterisk sign and then click on the second cell that contains the other value you want to multiply. Press enter and the result will appear. As you can see, Google Sheet is suggesting that you autofill the rest of the cells. If you want, click the check button and it will automatically apply the formula to the rest of the column. And that's how you multiply numbers in Google Sheet. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.